tired of boring, default shapes cluttering your Tableau dashboards? Let's transform them into visually stunning data stories. First, open your Tableau workbook and navigate to the worksheet where you want to customize the shapes. You'll likely see the standard circle shapes Tableau uses by default. On the marks card, click on the shape option. This will open the shape selection window where you can choose from a variety of built-in shapes. Browse through the available shapes and select the one you prefer. You can even load custom shape palettes for a truly unique look. For this example, let's choose a star. Notice how the shapes in your visualization have instantly updated to the star shape you selected. Now, let's make this the default shape. Go to the Format menu. In the Tableau menu bar, click on Format, and then select Workbook. In the Format Workbook pane on the left, click on the Shapes tab. Here, you'll see options to format all the shapes in the workbook, not just the ones in the current view. At the top of the Shapes tab, find the Default Properties drop-down menu. Click on it and select Shape. This will open the shape selection window. Again, select the star shape you previously chose or any other shape you want as your new default. Now, any new worksheet you create in this workbook will automatically use the star shape as the default. This saves you time and ensures consistency across your dashboards. Customize your shapes and tell engaging visual stories with Tableau.